Good day everyone! Today, I will demonstrate how to make and set up a patch panel, which is important component in computer networking. And these are the Ethernet cable, wire stripper, LAN tester, RJ45, crimping tool, and last one is patch panel. First, measure the Ethernet cable according to the needed length. Carefully strip about 1 inch of the cable jacket to the exposed the twisted pairs inside. Next is untwist the wire pairs and arrange them following the T568B wiring standard. Using a punch down tool, insert each wire into the correct slot on the back of the patch panel. Make sure the wires are firmly placed to avoid loose connections. After punching down all the wires, secure the cables neatly. Label each port to identify where each cable is connected. This makes maintenance